Today's topic is an important one, the many hassles of showing your home. In this video, we will discuss the process to show your home in San Diego and all the hassles that can come with it. Thanks for tuning in today. So if you decided to sell your San Diego house, congratulations on making that decision. We all know deciding to sell your home takes quite a bit of thought and consideration. Usually home sellers are initially blinded by the dollar signs they can potentially see when selling their home. However, there is a process that goes into the house sale. One of the most frustrating and, to be frank, annoying elements to selling your house is showing your home. Showing a house that is to be sold can be a complex and time-consuming process. It involves several steps, from prepping the home to meeting with potential buyers, and it can be a hassle if it is not done properly. Here is a breakdown of the various hassles involved in showing your San Diego house. Now first, the home must be prepped for sale, and this includes cleaning and decluttering the home, fixing any potential issues like broken windows or plumbing, and staging the house with furniture and decorations. This process can take a significant amount of time and money and can be a hassle if the seller is not prepared. A cash buyer like Trusted House Buyers can eliminate this process for you, taking your home in any condition. No need to get out the cleaning supplies or your checkbook. A second hassle in showing your home is the seller must determine how to show the home. Now, many sellers opt for traditional open houses, but other options such as virtual tours and private showings are available. Each option has its own pros and cons, so the seller must consider which works best for their situation. Are you ready to vacate your property every time there is a request for a showing? Especially in today's San Diego housing market, houses are sitting on the market for months and months. That means 60, 90, 120 days of dealing with making sure your home is ready to show. Now, another hassle to deal with is that the seller must market the home. This can include advertising the home in local newspapers, online listings, social media, as well as hosting open houses. Now, it's important to reach out to as many potential buyers as possible, so advertising can take a significant amount of time and money. Working with Trusted House Buyers, this step is simply not a worry for the seller. This means valuable time and money are not taken away. Yet another hassle of showing your San Diego home. Do I sound like a broken record yet? The seller must be prepared to answer any questions potential buyers may have. This involves having knowledge of the local market, the home itself, and other relevant information. The seller must also be able to provide documents such as inspection reports and title deeds. Now, if the thought of sharing an inspection report with a potential buyer scares you, well, it should. This is where many home sales fall through. A cash buyer, like Trusted House Buyers, is not scared away by issues your home may have. In fact, we're used to this and will take your home in any condition. Another important fact to note is the seller must be prepared to negotiate. This involves understanding the current market conditions, being familiar with the local market, and having the ability to negotiate a fair deal for both the buyer and the seller. Finally, the seller must coordinate the closing process. This involves getting all necessary documents in order, setting a closing date, and coordinating with the buyer and their lender. This process can be time-consuming and requires attention to detail, so it can be a hassle if not done properly. Overall, showing your San Diego house can be a hassle if not done right. It requires prepping the home, determining how to show it, marketing it, answering questions, negotiating, and coordinating the closing process. Each of these steps can take a significant amount of time and effort, so it's important to be prepared before beginning the process. So here's the bottom line. If you are ready to sell your home, showing the home can be a major deterrent and hassle for the homeowner. One final idea that is the simplest is to consider liquidating your home, no matter the condition. That's where someone like Trusted House Buyers can help. We can offer you a cash offer, take your home as is, and close on your terms. For more information on how we can help you sell your San Diego home and rid you of the many hassles of showing your home, you can always call us at Trusted House Buyers by dialing 619-786-0973. Thanks for watching.